Hello everybody, Swaminath here. Today we are going to see procure to pay cycle, automobile sensors. So different types of sensors they may buy it. They are buying it in automobile industry. So those sensors we are going to see. What are all the sensors we'll see? Normally they buy engine sensor, NOx sensor, airflow sensors, cam sensors, coolant sensors, temp sensors, NOx sensors, map sensors, parking sensor, vehicle speed sensor, or oxygen sensor, throttle sensor, crank sensor, voltage sensor, and range sensor. So these are all the common procurement of sensors. So out of that, we'll see 2-3 sensors, procurement of those 3 sensors. And the process we're going to see is we are going to create a purchase or requisition. In ME51N, I'm going to create a purchase requisition, request for quotation in transaction code ME41, and then maintain quotation ME47, transaction code, quotation maintenance ME49. Finally, I'm going to create order confirmation, purchase order confirmation, and goods receipt, vendor invoice. And let's go to the SAP system. Let's go to ME51. ME51. These are the 3 sensors I'm going to purchase it from outside. And already I have 2 vendors, 10097 and 10098. One is Surya Motors, and another one is Sharda Motors. Okay, now let's go to this is my purchase requisition screen ME51 here. Let's enter material number here. 3 materials I have already created. If you want to know how to create material and how to create vendor, just check the description below. I have given the link. Just check the link. Now, engine sensor, purchase requisition, engine sensor. Quantity, press enter. Quantity, 10 quantity. 10 quantity. Plant LD03 is my plant. LD03 is my plant. K01 is my purchasing group. Valuation price is dummy price. Press enter. Next. 6 airflow sensor. Engine sensor, airflow sensor. And then let me minimize this. Next is parking sensor. All the 3 sensors, let me enter it. Quantity 10, plant LD03. LD03 is my plant. Quantity 10 quantity. Present. K01 is my purchasing group. K01 is my purchasing group. Enter valuation price, dummy price. It's just a dummy price. Dummy price. Okay. Now let me save this. Click onto the save button to save it. Purchase requisition is the mother of all documents. It's a requisition document. It's creating a requisition document. Let me double click onto this. Let me take this purchase requisition PR. This. Let me go to PR. So all these 3 engine sensor, airflow sensor, and parking sensor, I'm going to purchase it from outside. Okay, from these 2 vendors. I'm going to request the quotation from these 2 vendors. Okay, and then I'm going to create purchase order. Let's go to ME41. ME41. Request for quotation. Slash in to come out ME41. ME41. Okay. Quotation deadline date 14th of this month. K01 is my purchasing group. Okay. Reference to purchase requisition. This is my purchase requisition, which I have created it earlier. See, this is my purchase requisition. It's got automatically it has got adapted. So you don't need to worry about it. Execute. Okay. Storage location LD03, LD03, LD03. Okay. Select all the 3 items. Engine sensor, airflow sensor, and parking sensor. Adapt plus details. Click on to adapt plus details. Okay. Delivery date is 20th of this. 20th of this month. Present. 20th of this. Next, airflow sensor. Finally, parking sensor 20th office. Okay. Now let me click onto this address, supplier address icon, supplier address icon. Let me enter the supplier. If you want to know how to create the supplier, check the description. Link has been provided in the description. Check the description. Press enter. Enter. Sharda Motors, save it. Press enter. Yes, save it. 10011 RFQ is 11069 RFQ. RFQ. Okay. Next, Surya Motors. Let me enter this number here in this supplier field. Press enter. Enter again. Surya Motors. Save it. Just save it. Press enter. Yes, save it. This is the another RFQ. I have requested RFQ from two people, from two vendors. Okay. Now they both have sent the quotation. Okay, and I'm going to maintain it in the system /n ME47 ME47 quotation maintenance. Quotation maintenance. Press enter. First quotation. He is supplying it for 1050, 2500, 3500. Surya Motors supplying it. All this engine sensor is for 1150 rupees. Airflow sensor 2500. Parking sensor 3000. Now let me save this. Press enter. I have made in one quotation. Next is 69. 69. Press enter. Okay. This Sharda Motors supplying for 1000 rupees, 1500, 1000 rupees. Parking sensor. And save. Control S save. Press enter. So I have maintained quotation for these two. For these two RFQs. First RFQ, next RFQ. I have maintained this. Now I'm going to compare the quotation. Let's go to /n ME49. Quotation comparison. Let me enter quotation numbers. First quotation number 69. This is my quotation number. 69. 11 069 11 070. Okay, execute. Execute. Let's execute. See here, system itself is showing in green. First is engine sensor, Sharda Motors, 1000 rupees, 1500 rupees. Airflow sensor is supplying. Parking sensor is supplying it for 1000 rupees. But Surya Motor is supplying 1150 rupees. Airflow sensor is supplying it for 2500. So let me reject all this. Okay. Double click onto this line item. Go to edit. Block. Yes. And save. And save. Press enter to save it. Okay. Double click onto this line item again. Select block. Yes. And save. Press enter. Third one also I'm going to block. Select. Edit. Block. Yes. Press enter and save. Save it. Press enter. All the three I have blocked. Now refresh this. 11070 has gone. Okay. Now I am going to give order confirmation to Sharda Motors 11069. Let me go to /n ME21N. ME21N. Okay. Select variance. RFQ, request for quotation. Request for quotation. Delete all this. Let me delete this also. Company code also I'm deleting it. Vendor also I'm deleting it. Execute. Execute. Keeping purchase organization alone. Let me scroll down. 7070 already I have blocked. 11070 I have blocked. Let me try it. Select adapt. It's been blocked. See it? Select now. New. Click on to new. No. You cannot save it. Select adapt. You cannot save this. See it? Block. New. Click on to new button. No. Okay. Select adapt. See, you cannot save this. Okay. New. Click on to new button. No. Now select all the three. 11069. Drag and drop it here in the trolley. Or you can adapt it here. It's not come, right? Select and drag and drop it here in trolley. It's not working. Select adapt. Let me do adapt. Select adapt. Select adapt. And save it. Save it. This is my purchase order. Save. This is my purchase order. Now let me do goods receipt. Let me do goods receipt. GR. Close this. Go to slash and MIG. Slash and MIG. Goods receipt. Purchase order. Let me do goods receipt. GR. Press enter. Click onto this non-order item. Select OK. OK. And do. So I'm going to do engine sensor, airflow sensor, and parking sensor. I'm going to invert the material. That is, vendor has been sent the material. I'm going to put it in my storage location. Post. It's got posted. Now let me check in MMB slash in MMB. Let me check 677 parking sensor 4 it has been inverted. See here, unrestricted. Okay. Now next material. This is my next material. Switch on. One material has been inverted. 10 materials has been inverted. 10 numbers. Third one, again 10 numbers have been inverted. All the three has been inverted. Now vendor has given us the invoice. I'm going to post it in SAP system. MIR. Now I haven't taken the purchase order number, so let me take it from slash and MP 51. We can take it from 51. Based on the supplier, we can take it from this is my supplier, Shaka Motors supplier. We'll take it from material document itself. We can take it. Supplier is this. This is my supplier. Let me take it from material document. Execute. See, all the three has been inverted. Let me double click onto this line item. We can take it from here. Scroll to your right. You will find the purchase order number here. See it? Purchase order number here. This is my purchase order. Now let's go to slash and MIR for vendor invoice. Invoice date. Press enter. Calculate tax. Enter the purchase order number here. Press enter. See, all the three materials is come. This is the balance. I have to post it here. 42000. Baseline date upon which we have to pay the vendor. 42000. 4222 and save it. Let me save this. This is what we do it in. This is what procure to pay cycle in purchasing of sensors. Thank you.